On the road to reopening now, the American Dream megamall in New Jersey welcomed back shoppers today. More than 80 retailers opened their doors, as did several indoor theme parks. Face coverings are required. There are also hand sanitizing stations and plexiglass barriers. The DreamWorks water park, a Nickelodeon universe, mini golf, and the ice rink reopened at 25% capacity.
Done a reservation system, so we're really encouraging everyone to book online ahead of time, make sure they secure their spot in the parks before they arrive, and then once they get here, it's actually a touchless transaction going right into the park when they start.
And Big Snow, an indoor ski and snowboard park, reopened last month. Luxury stores will not reopen until the spring.